What's going on? In this video we're going to be talking about how you can make money online. So if you guys are new to my channel, please like, subscribe. We're going to get right into it. So basically, a lot of people are like, since 2020 and the pandemic, a lot of people was trying to figure out ways they can make income and stuff. I know a lot of people be looking online trying to figure out what is a real way to make income, instead of a lot of people, telling you pay 500 for a course, or just beating around the bush around it. So real ways to make money online. So let's get straight to it. Starting a YouTube channel is a good way to make money online. If you were driven and you want to be on camera and really tell your story, YouTube is a good platform to really make money online compared to a lot of platforms that are out. I would say YouTube will be the best platform for you to make money online. So all you really need is basically a camera to get started and a laptop. So those are just two things you would need to start making money online, you know what I'm saying? And then basically it takes time. So you got to meet the requirements, which is 4,000 hours watch time, 1,000 subscribers. But once you meet the requirements, and you're already used to that effect of uploading videos, it's like clockwork, you know what I mean? It's kind of like when you clock in a job, you're already used to clocking in at a certain time. It's the same with YouTube. You're used to the schedule of you uploading it. And then, at first it's a little bump, but at first you'll get used to it. So YouTube is definitely a way to make money online. There's another place like Fiverr.com. You can sell freelance services to people, like if you do graphic arts, or if you have a digital marketing skill, whatever skill you have, you can try using Fiverr.com. I personally use Fiverr as a buyer. I'm not a seller. So I use them to help my brand on like my music and everything like that. So Fiverr is a good way to start to make some money online. You see what I'm saying? So that's real things to make money online. You have to put in work. No way you're going to just not put no work and money's going to fly in your pocket. So I mean, if you're willing to put some work and believe in your craft, the best thing to do is to make money by believing in yourself. So another way to make money is investing. So like investing in the stock market. Stocks right now are up and down, but there's certain stocks you can invest in that long term is going to benefit you, because you know that this company's been in business for over 100 years, like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, stuff like that, where you can get a return on the money you put in. So if you work in a job, you can put little money at a time, and money will just start flowing in the long run. And it's way more beneficial than putting your money in a bank account, where the bank, you're only going to get a certain percentage of your money in return. And we all know we going through a lot with crises like inflation, so much things going on in the world. You kind of want to put your money in a safe place. So investing in stocks right now will be a good move on getting a return on your money. And plus that's passive income. See what I'm saying? So we all want to have a little extra money, you know what I mean? All to make money, it says. Another way to really make money off your craft is basically you can be a musician. A lot of musicians, there's a lot of people that's not really learning how to make money because they're not learning the setup. But being a musician, you can make money off being that. Putting your music on Spotify and Apple Music. If you have talent, you can put your music out there and make money off sales, digital sales, or streams. You know what I'm saying? Those are one of the things